Hey everyone, it's Alessandro Bruxel for Home Chef Seattle. Today I'm going to be sharing with you all the recipe for some homemade pita bread. This pita bread is going to puff up in the oven and you're going to get these beautiful pita bread pockets. It tastes fantastic, it's the real deal. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. Start by adding 1 cup of lukewarm water to a large bowl. Next, add 1 packet or 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast, half teaspoon of granulated sugar, and then stir to dissolve. Next, add a 1/4 cup of whole wheat flour and a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Mix it well and let it rest for 15 minutes. The mixture should become nice and foamy. And add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. One teaspoon of kosher salt and whiskey to combine. Next, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Mix it with a spoon first and then knead it with your hands until you have a nice and smooth dough. Once the dough is nice and smooth, cover it with plastic film and place it in the fridge overnight up to 24 hours. The next day, remove it from the fridge, press it down to deflate, then on a floured surface, roll it and divide the dough into 10 equal portions. Then, shape each portion into a ball. Place them on a floured tray, cover with a kitchen towel, and let them rise in a warm spot for 40 minutes to 1 hour. They should about double in size. On a floured surface, roll each ball into a circle. Don't make them too thin. They should be around 1/8 of an inch, 3 to 4 millimeters in thickness. Next, bake them in a preheated oven at 500 Fahrenheit, 260 Celsius, using a pizza stone. You can also use a baking sheet. Just remember to preheat it first, as you want to bake them on a hot surface. The pita breads will puff up in just minutes. Once the edges and top just start to brown, the pita breads are ready. Remove them from the oven and place them in a basket or tray covered with a towel. Keep the breads covered so they stay warm and don't dry out. That is it, perfect homemade pita bread. I hope you guys have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.